Good afternoon to our viewers. Welcome to Ice Earth Outdoor News Desk. We are here with a young school-going citizen anchor Manas Kumar, and he is going to deliver a message and the topic of that is Manas, please say your topic.
Plastic bags, major source of pollution.
All right, wonderful topic. And as you can see right behind Mr. Manas, there is a cow grazing and there are lots of plastic lying around. So this is a good place to send across the message why it is hazardous for the litter of plastics everywhere. So Mr. Manas, could you tell us how young you are?
I am only 14 years old.
Only 14. Great. So let's begin. What do you have to say?
Nowadays, 95% of the people in the world is using plastic for their daily transportation of things that they have to carry from one place to another place. There is not any problem if it is biodegradable, but it is non-biodegradable as it takes millions of years to decompose and still it remains in the soil and harm the soil. A major problem caused by plastic bags is land pollution. People use plastic bag and throw it in an open area or anywhere and it causes land pollution. Some animals like cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. eat the plastic as food and it got stuck in the stomach and causes their death. In rainy days, it causes more problem when it got stuck in the tunnel and doesn't allow water to pass out from the tunnel. By this, the water gets stagnant at a place. Mosquitoes born in that stagnant water and causes several diseases like dengue, malaria, etc. Another major problem caused by plastic bags is water pollution. People carelessly throw the garbage in water bodies by filling it in plastic bags. They thought that it would not do anything, but it causes a major problem called water pollution. For the aquatic animals, it is very dangerous because they swallow it and it causes several diseases to them which leads to their death. One more major problem caused by plastic bags is air pollution. Some people burn the waste plastic bags and it releases harmful gases like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and pollute the air. These harmful gases increase the temperature of the earth and depletes the ozone layer. In this way, plastic bags are very harmful to our environment and animals. There are less advantages and more disadvantages of plastic bags, so we should not use plastic bags. Some ways by which we can minimize or reduce the use of plastic bags. We First, we should use only jute bags for daily use instead of using plastic bags. Second, wherever possible, we should send the waste plastic bags for recycling. Third, we should buy steel bottles and lunch boxes instead of buying plastic bottles and lunch boxes. Fourth, we should not throw plastic bags in water bodies or on land. We should throw it in the dustbin. By knowing all this, you must have known that our earth is not at a good condition, so we should not use plastic bags. So, we should encourage the people not to use plastic bags and to save our environment. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Manas, so much. And we are really happy to hear you. And the amount of information that you have given at such a young age is so wonderful. And we hope you continue to pursue even a little bit towards environment friendly lifestyle, like things you have said, using jute bags and steel lunch boxes. I'm sure you must be using them at your home, your parents must be using them, that is why you're aware of that. So the more the children are aware of it and more they can make aware their parents and their friends and peer groups, will be having a rapid change in the coming 10 years. Thank you so much, Manas, for being on Ice Earth.